going to be an amazing day is the first thing that I say before I get out there in the field. Every day is different, so you have to prepare and expect the unexpected. You're going to meet people who's going to show you the way. You're also going to have that ability to impact somebody's life. It's a perfect opportunity to make great connections. It's also the perfect opportunity to give your personality and put a smile on people's faces. At the end of the day, it's not all about doing work, but also having fun and being who you are. Being together and not the same. Remember, you are the reason